Hey, fifth grade, it's Mr. Headington. This is your responses to your questions from our first week of human growth development. So I'm happy. I got about 21 questions from the students here, and I'll answer as many of them as I can. Some will have to wait till a little later in the unit to do. So, question number one: what is your favorite part about teaching health? Man, I got to say that human growth development actually is one of my favorites. And I really wish we were in person because I have lots of funny stories to tell and just kind of life kind of connections I can make with it. So it's hard to do that on digital. So my thing about other things I teach for health, I like the stuff about some of the stuff about nutrition, but I like some of the just teaching life skills about things that you guys might need to know. Let's see. When do you get things like pimples or grow taller during puberty? That will be part of our discussion for today. So hopefully you'll understand a little bit about that. Pimples tend to happen towards middle school years. Some kids a little sooner, some kids a little later, and some of you might be lucky enough not to have any at all. Next one was, do you have any kids or grandkids? I have two children. One is 18 years old and in college, and one is 14 years old and in 8th grade at Chums. No grandchildren, hopefully not for a while yet. So, what are your favorite hobbies? Well, I like sports, so golf is probably one of my favorites. I do like fishing, and around the house, I've grown to like taking apart things, especially lawnmowers lately. I have like 4 lawnmowers that I have, not all at my house, but I fiddle with them and like finding parts for them. Actually, I'm kind of a cheap guy that doesn't buy parts. I try and scavenge parts here and there to put it together to make it work. So it's always fun to get something running that wasn't running for somebody else. What is your favorite color? Depends. Well, green. I like green. I like blue. I have lots of colors I like, but I think those are my two I picked the favorite. Man, I don't know why this one isn't here. It says, why are glasses so fragile and expensive? I hear you. I have been wearing glasses since I was in 3rd grade. I've had to purchase many pairs of glasses over the years. A few of them are broken. Mostly, I've had to replace them because my eyesight gets worse, so then I have to get a new prescription for them. So hopefully, if you wear glasses, you are doing okay with it. What's your favorite movie? Man, that's a hard one. I got lots of movies, but I think I'm still probably a Star Wars fan at heart, and I watched them as a kid, and I even still watch them as a grown-up. So when the new ones came out recently, I was pretty excited for them to come out. So next one's kind of related to stuff about puberty. It says, what causes mood swings? And mood swings will be another topic we'll talk about soon. The hormone changes that you have going on through puberty also cause kind of your feelings and emotions to kind of happen too. And mood swings aren't just for kids like teenagers. It can happen to anybody, adults, kids, and so on. And some of it could be related to stress and so on. Why is changing into adults so important? Well, it's just the fact of life. It's not really that you can make it or choose to make it happen or not. You basically are going to be growing up, and probably the most important reason is related to reproduction. Without maturity into your physical body, we wouldn't have people on Earth because there wouldn't be any children to replace the adults that are gone. So, and then the last few, why do we grow hair and get body odor when you're going through puberty? Again, that's another hormone thing. You're just going to have it happen. It's not like I can explain exactly why, but it is something that just we have to deal with. What is my favorite food? Oh gosh, pizza, deep dish, thick pizza. I really like. I tend to eat that more. I don't say more, but and if I have a choice of something, that would be one of them. And what is your favorite movie? I already answered that one, which was related to the Star Wars themes. But man, I've seen a lot of movies over my 51 years of my life, and there's always new ones coming out that seem kind of cool too. So there are a couple of questions I didn't answer this week that will be answered later in our unit. It has to do with the male reproductive system and the female reproductive system, but I thought I'd save that for later so you wouldn't feel weird and embarrassed this week. So there's your answers for this week's questions. Keep sending them to me. I really enjoy knowing what you want to know and being able to tell you the answers to as much as I can. Have a great week.